It is the next morning. It's 5:30 in the morning, and we have to leave in 5 or 10 minutes. And this is what is happening here. I forgot what step I was on. And बांके बिहारी मंदिर जा रहे हैं हम. एंड वी हैव टू रीच देयर क्विकली क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है. तो अगर हम जल्दी नहीं गए तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड में फंसे रहना होगा. एंड आई एम श्योर अभी भी बहुत क्राउडेड होगा, बट इट्स जस्ट बेटर इफ़ यू गो सुबह. सो इसलिए वी आर लीविंग राइट नाउ. एंड अगेन अराउंड वी स्लेप्ट एट अराउंड 2 एंड या एंड आई गेस इसके बाद भी बहुत सारे प्लान्स है. तो एंड आई होप वी सर्वाइव द डे बिकॉज कल का दिन तो बहुत मुश्किल से निकला.
I wonder what that is. I wonder why we went out in the evening.
Okay, let's do it's 16 degrees and दिन में the temperature goes up to literally 35 37 या शायद कल 40 भी था. मुझे literally sun burn हुआ है. And right now it's so cold and we are in a e-rickshaw तो और ठंड लग रही है. Are you loving the vibes? I feel like the main character. It's okay. She feels like the main character today. Her outfit is outfitting. आइडेंटिटी कार्ड है तुम्हारा to identify our name. We got squished. People literally stepped all over us. But look what I didn't even ask for this, and I don't know why I got it. Yeah, I don't even know who knew my face. I don't. Back now to the ashram, and इसके बाद I don't know what we are going to do. I think we're going to गौशाला. Oh no, oh no. So basically यहाँ पे जो बंदर हैं वो ये और फोन चुरा लेते हैं. एंड अभी हमारे सामने वही थे इसलिए we took a U-turn and now we'll stand until ऊपर जल्दी से they leave. फिर हम not run जल्दी से यार. So let me give you a story time. हम गए थे बांके बिहारी मंदिर and we reached there by 5:45. We were informed that उनका जो पर्दा होता है like कृष्ण जी का, you can see कृष्ण जी around 6:30 पे उनका पर्दा हट जाता है. But it got delayed so much, like it actually like वो पर्दा 8 o'clock around हटा and we were the first ones to be there. We were around 20 people together. We were the first ones. तो हमने पहले से पंडित जी से बात करके रखी थी कि we want to go up there to see him पास से. So पहले तो लोग बिल्कुल नहीं थे, पर धीरे धीरे भीड़ बढ़ने लगी. अराउंड इतना सा जगह था and there were around 700-800 people. कैसे भी स्ट्रगल करके धक्के खा के we went up. हमने देखा उन्हें पास से कृष्ण जी को. But there was so much chaos. Like हमने इतने धक्के खाए हैं उतरने में, ऊपर जाने में, but it was all like worth it. She went through so much pain.
I got squished like a pancake.
Like this is the metal door.
And all
She's
these
like,
aunties pushed me physically, like full elbowing and सब कुछ.
so basically I think अभी नवरात्रि start हुई है इसलिए इतना ज़्यादा chaos है. और आई डोंट नो कि ये वृंदावन में हमेशा होता है कि नहीं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अभी वी आर गोइंग टू गौशाला टू फीड द काउज एंड ऑल्सो
We're wearing matching t-shirts.
या वेट टी-शर्ट्स वी आर वेयरिंग. लाइक सबका सामने से वाइट एंड पीछे से वी हैव दीस कृष्ण जी प्रिंटेड. पापा got it made and now we are going to go to गौशाला to feed the cows. और उसके बाद हमने शायद भंडारा भी रखा है and then there is a puja I guess. I'm not sure. This is the plan.
How does that happen?
So we went to the गौशाला and there were so many cows. First of all, we fed them all with our hands, like ऐसे tomato रख के. And there was a cow named
Radhika. There was a cow named Radhika. She was black and moody. So moody. She kept trying to hit people. It was very annoying. But
She was just like me.
she was exactly like Radhika. Like, she was like someone who would force their cousins to go
To a mandir.
to a mandir. Yeah,
Just for the
that's something she
outfit.
would do. Okay, the cow. The cow. And then after that, उसे क्या बोलते हैं खाना वाला
और भंडारा.
भंडारा करवाया.
हाँ, भंडारा का.
Huh, and so we served food to everybody.
Yeah. We were literally sitting on chair and looking at people eating food.
Yeah, well, we didn't do anything.
Because we were too
And
tired.
then we were forced to eat थोड़ा. उसके बाद there was an आरती नहीं हवन. But we didn't attend it because it was hot, fire, cow poop. You can't blame us. And something happened with our driver. Like
He was high or something.
yeah, he was smoking something. We don't know what.
And he was just laughing throughout.
Yeah, I scratched his car. Like, I opened the door on his, like, another car. He started laughing. But whatever, while getting us back to the hotel, the way he was speeding, he was using his phone, and every time we like played music, if he likes the song, he would turn up the volume. If he didn't, he would turn it down.
हम क्या करेंगे?
Movie.
Movie. सो जाएंगे. Bye bye.
The trip finally comes to the end, and now we are leaving for Delhi because हमारी Delhi से flight है to Mumbai, and it was a great trip, and we got money also. And that is it for the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.